my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing this look here, and I did this look using the Glamlite paint palette, you guys. I also have the coral lippy on the lip, and I have the yellow lashes on the eyes as well. I'm not gonna like show you guys all of the entire collection, like everything that came in the collection, because I actually have that in my unboxing video, so I'll link it in the cards for you guys if you guys want to see everything that came in it. This is somewhat a review, but I really was just focusing on creating this amazing look that I created using the palette. Like, it's a complete rainbow palette, and the shimmers are just absolutely gorgeous, and I just wanted to create a masterpiece. So you guys will hear me talk about the palette and give you guys my thoughts and everything more so towards the end. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are subscribed to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know if you got the palette, if you have any of Glamlite palettes. This is my first one, and I really do want to try more. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so excuse the towel, but yo girl just finished washing her hair. So I just applied my ABH hydrating oil because my skin is hella dry right now. And I'm just going to go ahead and flick up my brow hairs. I don't think I'm going to do brows for this look. I feel like I don't want to do brows today. I don't know, I'm feeling something, you know, dramatic and blown out and smoky. So this is the gorgeous paint palette from Glamlite. If you guys watched my unboxing, I did share that mine came a little broken, but it is a-okay. So that's the palette that we're going to be using today. And while we're using it, I'm going to give you my thoughts and all that good stuff. Oops, I just... My camera. Here. So as always, you guys know I always use my P. Louise base. I don't ever really like use anything else, and I need a goddamn... Let me use this. Right, I'm gonna use my ABH 824 brush just to pick it up and put it all over the eye. And just gonna prep. So I already just So I've already used this palette once. I actually used this doing a P. Louise recreation. I used this palette, and so far I do love the pigmentation of the palette. Everything blended out really nice and easy. So with that. I don't know what colors I want to go with today. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with, is this really burning? Alright, I'm gonna go in with this shade here, which is purple, and I am going to be taking my Makeup Shack T82 brush, and we're gonna put that into the inner third of the eye, so right here. And I'm gonna be very, very messy because, as I said, I want this to be very blown out. I don't want anything to be like crisp. I want the majority of this to be really blown out. So as you guys can see, that's straight pigment, and it is starting to blend out really, really nicely as I move in circular motions. And then I'm gonna go in with another T82 brush, and I'm gonna use the Royal Blue shade, which is this guy right here. Sorry y'all, I got people walking next to my car. Okay, so I'm gonna use that Royal Blue shade. We're gonna pop her right here, and we're gonna mix it in with the purple. So this shade, you really do have to like really like pack it on to get the intensity that you want, because as you see here, it just kind of like blended into like a really light grayish blue, and I really want to keep it that royal blue shade. So we're just gonna keep packing on. So we have that exactly how I want it to look. So next I'm gonna go in with the yellow shade in the palette. This is like just pretty much a rainbow paint palette. So I'm just gonna take that yellow and we're gonna put her right here, mixing in with the blue. So the transition with the yellow and that blue will give a nice little green shade. So that is what we're looking for. And I'm blending this into the brow. Again, like I said, not looking into doing brows today. So we're gonna blend this pretty high in. Just like that. Very messy. Not trying to keep it, you know, like extremely clean or anything. We just want it to be nice and blown out. 562 brush, and I'm actually gonna pick up Fuchsia, which is the pink shade in the palette. Actually, no. I'm gonna take Coral because I feel like fuchsia and purple are very close to each other. So you guys see the purple has a pinky undertone. So I'm gonna take Coral instead, and we're gonna pop her right here. And I'm using a small brush because I am working in a small area. Okay, so after 20 freaking hours, I finally got it together. And I am going to go. Got it. Okay, so first shade I'm gonna go in with is the I'm gonna go in with the orange shade, and we're gonna put her right underneath, right up into that crease shade. I'm gonna do like a double cut crease type of situation. I'm gonna put it more right here. I'm not gonna go all the way in. And then I'm gonna go in with the fuchsia. So these shades pack on really nicely. And even just in packing motion, they blend out really nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the yellow again. Okay, so this is the situation that we have here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pat out that base because we don't want too much on the lid. Because what will happen is it won't blend. Not that it won't blend, but when I put the lid shade, it's just gonna act funny. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my beige A4 brush. I'm gonna first go in with white, which is that shade there, and it's a shimmer And I'm going to put her right in the inner corner. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but you can see a little bit of it. But I feel like this will apply way better with your fingers. But because I am working in such a small area, I'm gonna stick to the brush with a light green. This is what it looks like. Such a beautiful color, you guys. Like, look at that. You can't even see it that good. Look at that. Oh my gosh. When I first saw this shade, I said, yes ma'am. That's my color. So I'm gonna put her in the outer corner of the eye to shape the wing. I'm also gonna blend it in with white. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush because I don't want to mess anything up. Alright you guys, so have my base on and everything. Now we're gonna go and do the under eye. So first things first is I'm gonna take this brush here from the Makeup Shack. It's a brow brush, it's the T3. I'm gonna dip into the black from the palette, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, with this, draw this little point here, and I'm gonna bring it in the lash line as well. I already applied black liner. Now I want the lower lash to be smoky, and then I'm gonna add some color as well, but I want that white. So the first shade I think I'm gonna go in with is the purple. So I'm gonna take that purple and we're gonna put her right here, blending her into that black. Okay, and then because I want the black to be just a little bit more defined, I'm just going to go back in there with a pencil brush and blend that more into the purple. Oh my god. Oh crap. I had some fallout on my nose. Alright, so because I've already just experienced fallout, this is the first time and it's only with the black. So I'm just gonna go in with my Fenty powder and I'm just going to apply that right in this area. Okay you guys, so I'm just gonna spray my face. I have my Morphe setting spray here. Dry. I look bald headed because I have a black background. I'm just gonna press into certain areas. We want that powder to just melt into the skin. Okay, so we're gonna do highlight and then where's my highlight? Oh. So I'm gonna go with my Artist Couture Illuminati highlight.
Mommy, you're not done yet?
Almost done, I promise, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply I love Artist Couture highlighters, like the loose highlighters, because they just melt into the skin. Okay, so this is the final look here. This is what it looks like. As you guys can see, the pigment is there. The colors are just beautiful. The shimmers are amazing. I didn't have to wet them or anything. Like, it worked perfect with just, you know, the brush. I really enjoy this palette. I can't wait to continue to create looks with it. I would definitely recommend this palette. This is actually my first Glamlite palette, so I actually can't wait to buy more. And for the lip paints, sorry guys, for the lip paints, they're really comfortable on the lips. I just would say that either have a lip liner underneath, like that's the same color, purple lip liner, coral lip liner. That way you don't have to put too many coats of the liquid lipstick. But other than that, I really did like it. And where the hell did it go? Right here. I love the packaging. Like, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Now for the lashes, these are absolutely gorgeous, and these were yellow. This was the one that I was using. This is the ones that I put on, and they are super comfortable. I didn't have to trim them, which is amazing. I hate when I have to trim lashes because sometimes I trim too much. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you guys are following me on all of my other social media platforms to stay updated with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah.